This video is a tutorial for Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool. I'll explain the differences between them and how exactly they work in this video. I'll start with Binance Launchpad. If you come to your Binance account and then just go to Finance, it may be called Earn up here, but you want to go to the Earn or Finance tab and then Launchpad. Both Launchpad and Launchpool are within the same page, but they are different in terms of the risks and how they work. So in terms of Launchpad, what exactly is this? This is essentially an ICO platform within Binance, initial coin offering. So during a Launchpad event, there will be a specific time where you can look at the token that is launching and invest in it. So Launchpad is an initial coin offering where you take value that you have, usually in BNB coin, and then you swap that into a new token. You are investing in this new project and actually swapping value. So this is an investment. And if we click on something like this, so the last one that happened was Arkham. So we're going to click on Arkham and see some of the details here. So you are actually swapping value and you are getting a new token. You are giving some money to the team and they are selling you that token. So what we can see here is that it's a subscription, and the sale price eventually after the subscription took place was one Arkham token was 0.0002 BNB. There were 50 million tokens offered. The lowest investment for one person was 0.1 BNB, and there was a hard cap of 300,000 Arkham per investor, which was about $15,000. So what happens here is that you need to actually buy BNB coin, and then you need to stake it in the Launchpad, and then throughout the period, they're going to calculate how many subscribers there are, how many people want to invest, how much money is invested, and they're going to come up with a token price and then go through what they call a lottery in order to determine a fair distribution of tokens. So that is an investment from you. You are taking money that you have and you're giving it to the team, and they're giving you tokens in return. And there will be a distribution period where you swap the BNB and you let go of it, and then you get some new tokens in your account. One of the things to be aware of if participating in a Launchpad event is that you are taking risk because you are buying a new token. And for the most part, an ICO is much like an IPO, initial public offering of stock, where they price the token quite well, meaning that the price of the token in the Launchpad event can be fairly low in comparison to what they believe it will trade for in the open market. And so what a lot of people do is try and flip the Launchpad, much like they try and flip IPOs, where you're giving money to the project, and so they're giving you a bit of a discount on the coins. Now, what many people will do is go and participate in the Launchpad, get the allocation in their spot trading account, and then just flip the allocation out immediately once they get the new tokens. So that's up to the individual investor. I can't make any recommendations on any of this stuff. And of course, there is risk that you buy the token at a certain price and the market price is way lower when it launches. However, what they try and do is give you a discount for actually participating and giving money to the project. So what you can see here is that Arkham, the previous Launchpad, is now trading on Binance, and it's trading for around 0.002 BNB. So every one Arkham, you would have to swap 0.002 BNB. You can also see the Launchpad price was 0.0002 BNB. So they got a much bigger discount for buying this token in the Launchpad in the ICO than you would have to buy it in the open market. So of course, if you did get an allocation, you could flip it out instantly for a decent profit there, or just keep the tokens if you're invested in the project or the protocol. But there is no guarantee there, of course. This is taking risk and actually buying tokens at a certain price. And of course, you don't know what the market price will be after that. But you can buy BNB and then spend that BNB to give to the team. They give you some tokens in return. Those tokens will be listed on the spot markets on Binance. And as an investor, you can do anything with those that you want, but there is risk involved with Launchpad. let's get to Launchpool then, which is very different to Launchpad in terms of the risks that are being taken and the returns. So a Launchpad is where you are actually giving money to a team and they are giving you tokens in return. They are raising funds for their project from you and you're getting the tokens. Launchpool is very different. Launchpool is usually a team or a token that has already launched and already raised funds somewhere else. And what they are doing is launching on the Binance exchange, and they are basically just giving away tokens for free in order to raise awareness for the project. So if you come back to the Launchpad page, just scroll down here, you can see Launchpool. So there are 2 ongoing at the moment, and they are lasting for around 30 days each. You can stake one of 3 tokens as of right now, which is FDUSD, which is a stablecoin, TUSD, another stablecoin, and then BNB itself. If you have any of those, you can stake them, and over a period of time, you actually get some rewards back in the new token. Now, you're not going to get a ton of rewards, and there's a cap to them, but let's have a look here. I've done this as an example. So this is Say Network, which are going to launch on the Binance exchange, and they're giving away some rewards. Total BNB pool rewards, as you can see here, 240 million Say. You have to stake BNB here. There's a 30-day farming period, and there is a max amount of hourly rewards that can be given out. So I have staked some here. So if you have some BNB, you can press stake, and then you can just stake an amount. Now, you are not giving any money to the team. You are not exchanging value to the team. You're not sending that money out. So what you can actually do is stake your BNB or these stable coins, as you can see, because there are different pools. So you can have one of those tokens and stake them, but you can redeem them at any time as well. So if you press redeem, I can redeem the exact 1.5 BNB that I used to stake back into my account. So I'm not giving any value to the team. I'm not exchanging my value for some new tokens. This is essentially like yield farming, or just a reward that the project is giving you, and you're staking some tokens for the most part just for that exchange. If you are new to Binance, check the link below for a deposit and trading bonus. I'm James with MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.